Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, September the 13th, 2024. Friday the 13th. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The Killer Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper, by the way, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 2 puzzles left. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, a couple of civilians went to the space, yeah. We have a space civilian, yeah, civilian. Spaceman Isaac Man here. Tourist. Alright. News of today. Well, let me see. The 4-star Sudoku number 9267. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. Should be a 2-star puzzle. 2-star puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated with 4 stars for 4-star puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars or a 2-star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 in the third column, no 7 there, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 1, need a 1 there. 1. Alright. Then 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between only place level 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in that box. So 1 box level 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. And I need a 6 there. 9, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this third row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this column. No 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 3, 3. Then 2. Let me think. I need a 9 here. I need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. Alright. 6. Need a 6 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. I'm stuck. 6. 2, 3. 8. 2, 3, 8. 2, 5. 9. Well, we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, only place left on 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the last column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 5. We have a pair, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. That's a pair. Alright. 4. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. We have a pair again in this middle column for numbers. 8 and 4. Yeah, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes and 8 in this column. We have a 4 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Alright. 4. Then this is 2 and 6. 2, 6 and a 1. I need a 1 here. In this row we need a 1. Here can be 1 because we have a 1. In this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1. In this big square, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 or 6, we have a 6 now in this big square. So this box should be a 2. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1, I should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the 2, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 4, 8, and 3. Okay, here should be the 3 and 8. Let me think. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 4 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those. Need a 4 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, no 4 there, 4 it should be here. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 2 is missing. Then 2, 2, okay. 3, 8, and I need a 5 here. Yeah, need a 5. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Here we have a pair, 3 and 8. So the other pair should be the numbers. Oh, no. 2, 5. And 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 6. Okay, yeah, 2 and a 5 are left. 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Here 3 and 8, so 1 box left for the number 5. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here 3 and 8. Well, this box, we have a 3 now, so this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars also. Should be a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.